Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll explore the settings section. Let's get started. Head to the side menu. Then navigate to Configuration, your gateway to customizing the system. Click on Settings. Under General Settings, you'll find options to reset your password and set up the Invent ERP periodic report schedule. The second tab lets you configure your sales order settings. In the Invoicing section, choose your preferred invoice policy for seamless billing. Save time by setting your default quotation validity. The third tab is all about accounting settings. Set your default tax for sales and purchase orders. You can also set your fiscal country for accounting and choose a rounding method for invoice prices. Tailor everything to match your business needs. Set your business tax return schedule easily with Invent ERP. Create reminders to stay on track, and designate the journal to save your accounts. Don't stress about currency rates. Invent ERP handles them automatically. Simply set your main currency and the system takes care of the rest. Customize your customer invoice with ease. Choose to show stamp, enable pro forma invoices, activate local purchase orders, or use default terms and conditions. Adjust your invoicing to fit your business perfectly. You can also enable custom accounts for receivables and payables. And manage your post-exchange with ease. Set up your business's fiscal periods effortlessly. Lock dates, define the fiscal year's last month. Keep everything running smoothly. That's a quick overview of Invent ERP's settings. Need help? We're just a click away. Create a support ticket, and our team will get back to you in no time.